This video is about the Belkin Soundform Connect. There's a lot of it on the internet and on Reddit that it's not working and you can't get it to work. It's not adding to HomeKit, and that's true initially. The only way to get it working is downloading the Belkin Soundform app. Yeah, it's already installed, so it just recognizes it. But I'll just explain how to get it to work. Normally it's just searching for stuff, new devices, and it's looking for some new device, the Soundform oled. But then you can choose like keep clicking on other way to find equipment or other way to set it up, something like that. And then you do find it and you need to couple it to your own Wi-Fi manually. You just use the device, your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and then it does connect, and then it will download the firmware update. And yeah, that will take a while. The speakers will beep while doing that, and you'll see it graphically with a nice progression bar. And after that's done, you have a new firmware, and then it's finally working as it's supposed to do. You could keep using it like this with the Belkin Soundform app, but now after doing this and updating the firmware, it will finally work. If you have it set up like that with this app, it won't add to HomeKit. You will have to push with a paperclip on the reset button, then it will reset, and with the new firmware it will finally work. Here's already added. But you can add it to HomeKit. After you reset it, the light's blinking again. You have to hold it like for 3 or 5 seconds, and then you get a red light that goes out and it goes blinking. Then you can pair it again, and then you just pair it the normal way to HomeKit. The best way is to scan the NFC tag with the top of the phone. But it's already added, so I'm not going to do it. I did have problems with adding it manually before, but that was before the firmware update. But I think it's the best way to just scan the NFC tag with the top of the phone. Then you will be able to finally add it and have it working in your Apple HomeKit. You can see it here. And yeah, that's basically a way to get it working on these new OLED TVs. They don't have a mini jack out, so this is the only way to get it working easily with some high-end speakers. Yeah, so I do have an Apple TV, of course. That makes it really easy, so you can send sound to your high-end speakers. And this is the way to get it to work. I hope it helps you guys. And yeah, I read a lot of people having problems getting this set up because the documentation is not up to date. So I make a quick and dirty one-take video just to show that it works. Thank you for watching, and bye bye, and I hope it gets your Soundform Connect working. Bye bye.